I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Jeep Grand Cherokee garage door opener. First, find the 3 home link buttons, usually on your overhead console. To begin, clear any existing programming by pressing and holding the 2 outer home link buttons for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Make sure you have your garage door opener remote handy for the next steps. Now, grab your garage door opener remote. Position it 1 to 3 inches from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the home link button you wish to program and the button on your garage door remote. Keep holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid, consistent flash, then release. If your garage door has a rolling code system, there's one more step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and press its Learn or Smart button. You typically have about 30 seconds to return to your Jeep. Once back inside, firmly press the home link button you just programmed 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time to complete the synchronization. Finally, test your newly programmed home link button to confirm it opens and closes your garage door reliably. If you have more than one garage door or gate, simply repeat these steps for each one using a different home link button. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.